Hey y'all, it's Mary and Happy New Year, and this is the first Mask Monday of the new year. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's 2023. I'll probably be saying that for a couple of months, y'all. We are doing a collab that is going to be called Am I on Board? Possible Trends for 2023, Am I on Board? So this is Kim's A Little of a Lot. It's her idea. And Tea Time Adventure is in this collab, and Kim's Happy Place, and me. And the four of us are doing a special sheet mask that is new to Kim and I'm not maybe new to Tea, but Kim's A Little of a Lot got some in a box, and she wanted to use it thinking it was fairly new. But I think Kim's Happy Place and I have done this a couple of years ago. But it's this mask. It's a wonderful mask. It's very expensive mask, so you don't see it very often. It's the 111 Skin Mask, and it's in two pieces. And I'm going to get it started while we're talking. Well, you know, I say it's in two pieces. Maybe it's been a while since I've done one. Maybe it's not in two pieces, but I have some of these also. And Kim sent them to whoever didn't have them, and it's just different. It is a gel mask. I think it's one piece. It's been a while since I've done it. I will tell you that when I've done them in the past, you feel your skin, you'll want to go out, you know, for New Year's Eve, except it's after New Year's Eve, but it's just a wonderful mask. And when I first got these masks, originally from Boxycharm, they're very bougie, like I said, and they, a lot of people in Hollywood use these masks. And see it, all right, I should have shown you that. This, I peeled off the white, and then I think what you're supposed to do is to put it on and then peel off the plastic part, and that would help you a little bit to get it on properly, because it's just like a jellyfish. I mean, it's just so thin, but I don't know if that's gonna work, so we'll try. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to peel that off first. It's very slimy. It's very difficult to work with. I'm going to do my best, and whoops, see how it is, you know. So whatever way works for you to get it on, it's very bougie. It's like, I think it's a $35 mask for one, you know, but I got mine in a box of 5 I got. And I actually got this several times from Boxy. So I think I've gotten 3 boxes, and I might have gotten 2 and bought 1 or something. But when you buy them from Boxy, they weren't 100 and whatever price it would have been, 135. I can't remember. Maybe they were $25 a piece. I don't remember. But they're quite expensive each. And they're just, you know, 111 Skin is one of my favorite lines. And it's not affordable for me. So this is, I think I have this not appropriate here. So anyway, you see how this gel is. It may or may not stick, especially as I'm talking. This is moving down, of course. So what we were going to also do is use one of these things. These are, I don't even know what they're called, but you can find them on Amazon. It's usually found in Korean skincare lines, and it'll hold your mask in place. Okay, so I actually have a couple of these things. They're very funny. They make you look very funny. So let me get it on, and then I'll fix my eyes. All right, it's not the easiest thing to work with. It's really the kind of thing you should relax with. I see makeup artists in Hollywood use them, and then when they take them off in 20 minutes, then they lay them on the actress's chest and neck. So there's a lot of good essence in there. And anyway, it's a wonderful mask, and I'm happy to do it. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about everybody in the collab. Kim's A Little of a Lot, Tea Time Adventure, Kim's Happy Place, and myself. We're all unboxers, and or we do other things. We do hauls. We may do a little bit of makeup here and there. We do collabs. We might do, I I don't know. Well, Kim has done some get ready with me's, and we all have our own little stuff that we do, but we also do a lot of the same stuff. And we all do Mask Monday, and we enjoy it. So anyway, I'm not picking my nose. I'm trying. This doesn't not want to fit here. So I was going to show you this crazy silicone. It's made of silicone. These two are a little bit different style, but basically that's what it looks like, and it holds around your ears, and it'll hold your mask on. And it's very helpful in a lot of ways. When I first discovered these, they were about $1.22 or something on Amazon, and now they're like $5 a piece. But keep looking. When you're on Amazon, no matter what you're looking for, if you keep looking, you might find a grouping of 3 or 4 or 5 of them, you know, for a cheaper price. But anyway, let's get on. Possible trends for 2023. Am I on board? And I'll tell you right off the bat, probably not. So I am not a trendsetter. I am, you know, I wear what I'm a classic. I'm a classic person. I like classic jewelry. I like classic clothing. I do once in a while, you know, like something a little out of the ordinary or a little bold, but not necessarily regularly, okay? So number one is, would I use tinted sunscreen? Yes, I would. I sure would. I don't wear a liquid foundation, but I have received tinted sunscreen in some boxes and have used them in the summertime when I know I'm going to be outside, you know, for an extended time. Will I give up spot treatment in favor of creamy concealers? I'm not even sure, what does that mean? Will I give up spot treatment? I use a concealer under my eyes, and I use it on spots. If I have any blemishes, I do that. So I'm not really sure about that question, but I do like a concealer that is a creamy concealer. So I guess I don't use spot treatments. Long or short nails, I probably go more with short nails. These are medium. My Dashing Divas that I have on now, these are called medium, but I'll tell you something, these don't feel medium to me at all. These feel long, and they feel a little bit longer than my regular mediums. So, and sometimes the shorter nails on Dashing Diva, they're smaller sizes too. So I do like the medium size, but these I almost want to cut back a little bit, and I haven't done it, but I may. But I've been wearing these for a week or so. Will you try any of the new nail trends that are upcoming for 2023? For example, metallic, the jeweled, shifting ombre effects, simple manicures. I would try all of that stuff, except I'm allergic to things. So if they come in press-ons, I'll try them. I do like different, now, you know, when I first started wearing the Dashing Divas, I would never do an accent nail. I would just have all my nails be the same color, you know. That was, you know, but a lot of their packages come with an accent nail, and I really like it now. So I did, you know, I do try some, I'll try things. Doesn't mean I'll stick with them. Number 5, smudge my eyeliner or bold new colors. I'm not a real bold eyeliner person. I do I do wear eyeliner every day, and I do often smudge my eyeliner. Number 6 is go easy on the lashes or be bold and dramatic. I definitely go easy on my lashes. I just wear my lashes. I don't ever wear fake lashes. Yeah, I don't. Number 7, more or less products in your skincare routine. More or less products in your skincare routine. I use about the same amount of products all year round. I do change them up for season. But if something new came into in a box, I would definitely try it and add it to my routine, definitely. Number 8 is to crimp or not to crimp. My hair is just too short to do any crimping. So I think it's pretty. If you have long hair, I think it's great. Number 9, the Pantone color of 2023 is called Viva Magenta. That is the Pantone color is the trend-setting color of the year. So you find it in your appliances, in your couches and furniture, in your clothing, in your makeup, and it is called Viva Magenta. It's a beautiful, beautiful dark magenta, very beautiful color. It would make a gorgeous lipstick. It would be that color, jewel tones look good on me clothing wise. So it says, will you incorporate the color into your everyday life? I won't seek it out, but if I go and buy clothes and there's one, you know, I'm not the type that would seek out the color that's in. If I find something I like with it, then I'll definitely use it. It's a beautiful color. Now I think last year, the last couple of years have been more like orange and yellows, and those don't work well with me. So no, I wouldn't seek it out previously, but this year, if it's there, I'll definitely use it. Number 10, oversized clothing or form-fitting. I don't like tight clothing. I don't like this oversized stuff either. So, but I don't like form-fitting. If I had a figure for that, I definitely would, but I don't. So I guess I'd have to prefer oversized clothing there. And number 10 is, do you believe high-end, high-priced skincare products work better than drugstore value-priced products? And no, not necessarily. A lot of the drugstore products I've used a long time, many, many years, and they just work just fine. And I'm discovering a lot of the higher priced items in the boxes that I get. I did for a long time use some high-end products that you get, you know, at the nice department stores. And I've liked those as well. I would prefer the bougier products. So if I get them in boxes, I'm definitely going to use them. Since I've been getting boxes, I have not had to buy skincare. So yeah, I don't, I use what I have. But yeah, the drugstore items are also very good. So, I can't recommend anything right now because I don't know what's out there. I've been using, you know, like this 111 Skin. I would never be able to buy this if it wasn't a sale deal in Boxy. Or you know, you win it in a giveaway or something like that. So anyway, we are doing giveaways. Let's see what I got. We're all going to do some sheet masks. So I have for you the Creme Shop. This is a retinol infused essence mask. The Creme Shop is one of my favorite brands of sheet masks. They're just very, very lovely, and they work very well. And I have a Super Beauty mask from Honey Jarrett. This is in the Lemon Honey, also very nice mask. I do have a couple of different types of masks. I have the Bright Eyes. These are from Beauty Bio, and these are gel, you know, under eye masks. And then I have a mask from Japan. This is a sleep mask. I really love these. These are wonderful. This goes over your eyes. It covers your eyes, and when you open the package, it starts to get warm, and it stays warm for 20 to 30 minutes. I've talked about these before. They're wonderful. They help me if I have a headache. They help me fall asleep. Very, very nice mask. And then I do have a 111 Skin mask for you as well. I hope that you will enjoy this. If you'd like to win this, you'll have to be subscribed to Kim's A Little of a Lot, Tea Time Adventures, Kim's Happy Place, and me. And I'll have them all in the description. And go watch their videos and comment on their videos and like their videos and all that good stuff. Same here. Comment and say something nice to me if you want to. And goodness, I always, I don't know what to say. You can just say enter me, because this is no secret. That'll be good. Just say enter me. And I'm not sure how long we're all running our giveaway. So how about I'll do 2 weeks, just because I'm not sure. It may just be 1 week. Let's just do 2 weeks. Well, yeah, let's do 2 weeks. So today is the 2nd. So add 14 days to that would be the 16th, right? I don't know what day is what. So we'll say, let's end this on the 16th, and I'll end it at midnight Central Time on the 16th of January. And then in a day or 2 or 3, I will post a winner. So, and I usually do a video. I don't do that on my community tab. I may incorporate it into another video, but I'll say winner or something in the title so you'll know. But that's it for me. And thanks for stopping by. And I hope with this new year, If you haven't joined us yet for Mask Monday, everybody's welcome, whether you have a channel or not. You don't have to have a channel. Take care of yourself. Do something for yourself. Do a mask or something to take care of yourself, and just, enjoy. You have to take care of yourself to take care of others. So whether it's just taking 20 minutes with a sheet mask or whatever the case may be, I am going to stop for a minute. I'm going to let this rest for the 20 minutes and I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm going to take this off. This is so funny because this all is hanging out and I keep breathing it. So let's take off the silicone. It may just all, okay. Oh, it wasn't on there very good. That's all right. But my skin is going to feel fabulous. And, this is so moist still. Like I said, you could put it, when they're doing makeup in the chair and the ladies have on a robe. So they put it right on them here. And it adds more moisture to this area. And we need that as well. So, but your skin, just, you're supposed to rub the essences in and don't pull. Don't pull, just rub. And I never did use my, whatchamacallit. You can use this while you have the mask on. You could use this, and hey, why not use it when you have the mask off too? You want to go away from your face, away from the center, to help drain the lymphatic system is what you're supposed to do with this. But anyway, just rub all that nice essence in. And like I said, don't tug and don't pull. And you feel fabulous. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye. Have a great day.